Lovejoy compact military shovel, also known as the Backcountry Shovel RS model. The shovel head is high carbon steel. The handle is made of aerospace grade aluminum. The knife with the saw, it's also got a bottle opener. That's the fire steel. As you can see, no problem giving out sparks there. Fire steel itself, if you loosen that up, there you're going to find a whistle. You pull back on the collar and adjust it to where you want it. So if you want it as a hoe, you could adjust it there. Straight up, goes through here as the shovel. Nice pointed blade here. The shovel's 21 inches. With the extensions, it expands to 33 inches. The shovel head is 5.7 inches wide, and it's about 7 inches from tip to the bottom here. It weighs 2.19 pounds. You get the two tubes, and they attach right into the handle. All the screw-in parts have a gasket as well, so that should help keep any kind of water or moisture out of there. You extend the shovel to 33 inches. Once you pull it back and you find the adjustment, it just snaps right in. This thing is absolutely a beast. It's perfect for an emergency kit, survival, camping.
When you purchase the Tactical Utility Folding Shovel, it will come with a shovel head, 3 poles to be used as the handle, 1 end cap, 1 fire stick whistle, 1 knife, and a ground spike. Place the first pole into the top of the shovel head and tighten. Then carefully screw the knife blade into the threaded interior side of the second pole with grips, and place the second pole into the pole attached to the shovel head and hand tighten. Next, screw the fire stick whistle into the interior of the end cap, and then place the fire stick into the third pole. Screw the ground spike onto the exterior of the end cap, and attach the third pole to the shovel handle.
Copwin brand survival shovels are the strongest and longest lasting available anywhere. Let's take a quick look at the Copwin MTS 800 and see why it is the best multi-tool shovel available today. The blade is made from the highest quality 420 heat-treated carbon steel with high anti-corrosion resistance, meaning it won't break on you and won't rust. The handle is made from special aerospace-grade aluminum treated with a special oxidization layer to protect it from any outside elements you may expose it to, making sure it lasts you a very long time. The special pattern on the handle assures it won't slip, but gives you a strong, comfortable grip. The joints are machine threaded and include a thick rubber washer to ensure a tight, solid fit between each section. The knife blade is also made from the highest quality heat-treated carbon steel, making sure it's always ready for whenever you need it. The starter part of the shovel is made with a magnesium flint, not the older style flints that most other products use. This means that you will have a roaring fire much faster in almost any weather condition. The magnesium flint is also replaceable by simply unscrewing the flint from its base and screwing in your new replacement flint. The whistle, which is connected to the bottom side of the magnesium flint, produces a high, over 120 decibel shrill sound to scare away wildlife or to call for help. Also included is a steel ice pick as well as a 9-piece screwdriver bit set to be sure you're prepared for any emergency situation. We love using this multi-tool shovel, and you will too.
Okay. That sounds enough cool.